use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright. Nick, right?
Yes, sir.
I remember you, Nick. Awesome. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick? Well, Nick, I know your name.
Alright, so yes, this is my second demo for you.
Alright. Yes, sir.
I have all DB drive, D8, DB drive, all 8s, 12 8s on two 1500 S2s. I'm so freaking locked right now.
It's all good. What's your box tuned to?
About 49 hertz.
49? Okay.
49.
Sweet. Alright. I see you kind of changed up the way the amp rack looks too.
Yeah, I did a lot of that.
Nice.
Changed it all up.
Looks good. And you still got your back seat.
Correct.
So you're able to put it up?
Correct. So I can be able to.
Very nice. Oh, okay. Alright.
I can still demo it out.
Yeah.
Still give people rides.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Nick's Durango. He was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in Florida of 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Pretty unique style system to fit 4 of these 15-inch DB Drive WDX 15s inside. If you notice, he has some actual LED wraps around the sub. Trying to figure out what they were, but they are LEDs, so at nighttime he can actually showcase his system and sounds pretty clear. Camouflage wrapped box as well, and the subs up, port back seems to be most optimal for SUVs. And he has a Durango, so he optimized his space to fit 4 15s inside of here with the seats to go up. So having subs up, port back is usually best for most SUVs if anybody's looking at doing a system like this. And the amplifiers, I didn't get any specs on them. He didn't really tell me what they were, but I looked up online so I can kind of show you what the specs of the amplifier are. This is the actual level. They're Encore series TE5000D, rated at 5500 watts max power, but rated at 2.5K RMS. So he's probably getting all the juice to these subwoofers. Didn't find out any other information about the system, so we're about to get to the base demo. If you have any questions ever about car audio, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I'll be replying back to you. As well as consider subscribing with the notification bell on for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral. Thanks for watching and enjoy. All right, yeah, I'm ready to hear it, man. Do your thing. A little bit. It's worth it for a day, though.
You got anything you want to listen to?
Dude, just play something you know is loud with bass. Flex is pretty good.
Let's see here.
Watch it all fall out. Throw it up, that's how we ball out. Throw it up. Watch it all fall out. Throw it up, that's how we ball out. Strip clubs and dollar bills. Still got more money. Oh, still got more money. I can be lonely. Make the world go round. Still got more money. Make your truck go down. more money. I still got more money. That's how we ball out. Strip clubs and dollar bills. Still got more money. Don't shots, gonna get a refill. Still got more money. Strippers going up and down that pole. Still got more
It's all good, man. Hey, thanks for the demo again. You have a good day.